6-59. You are standing 60 feet away from a 5-story building in Los Angeles, looking up at its rooftop. In the distance, you can see the billboard on top of your hotel, but the building is completely obscured by the one in front of you. If your hotel is 32 stories tall and the average story is 10 feet high, how far away from your hotel are you? So we've got a nice little diagram already set up, provided by the book here. This is you, you're standing here, looking great. And it says that you are 60 feet away from this 5-story building. So let's just kind of look at that. We're 60 feet away right here. And this 5-story building here, they say, is about 50 feet tall because it's about 10 feet per story. So obviously this is going to make us a right triangle here. But what you're looking at really here is your hotel, which is way down here. And we're trying to figure out how far away are you from your hotel. So we're thinking about this distance from where we're standing all the way over here to our hotel. So what we're going to end up with here is a pair of overlapping triangles. And we could look at the relationship there between the corresponding parts in order to figure out how far away we are. So our measurements here for the small triangle, or I'll even refer to it as the red triangle, are going to be 60 feet by 50 feet. And the corresponding triangle here, we've gone and we're coming up, and we know that it is actually 320 feet tall, but we don't know this distance. We can set up a proportion here to solve it and to get our value. So I'm going to do a ratio of the distance to the height. So it's the distance from the building to the height of the building. So if I say this building here, I'm 60 feet away, and it's 50 feet tall, that would be like saying 60 over 50. But that should end up being proportional to the distance I am away from this one, which is x, over 320. Now obviously my triangles aren't drawn to scale, but you should be able to get the main idea behind what we're trying to do here. Solve this proportion, we're going to have 50x, and that should equal 320 times 60. Just doing a cross multiplication. Let's see, 60 times 320 should end up giving us something about 20,000 minus 19,200, I believe. And yeah, that's right there. And now let's divide by 50 on each side here. So when we do that, we should end up with x is going to equal 384 feet. That is the distance that we are when we're standing over here and looking up at our hotel. So 384 feet. If you have questions about this or how to do it, make sure you do ask your teacher. Hopefully this helped you out. This is problem 6-59. Thank you for watching.